Thanksgiving, it's to us, it's the whole month, because we all have families to attend, and we you know uh, Auntie Bridget and I, we would like to thank everybody for being here today, because this is one time a year, and we can never be more thankful for anything, and for having such a huge family like what we have today. All of my brothers, my sisters, all my friends, and everybody. This really means a lot to us, and we would, today we would like to take the time to really thank everybody, each and every one of you guys, too, that we appreciate your love that you've given us, and my family, and thank Grandma and Grandpa, for loving us, for loving everybody, for their biggest heart, that they're able to love everybody the same amount of love that they've given everyone. All my brothers and sisters, we're all one family here. Thank everyone for being here. Uncle Thong, Uncle Gu, Uncle Kong, Uncle Pete. Some people, or some of my brothers can't make it here, but it's okay. All my sisters, Auntie Kia, okay, Tanda Kuja Yi, okay, and all my dear friends, and Ntu, Vichai, Jerry. Something that I want to be very thankful for you guys is that sometimes and let me say this, sometimes if we're not here, take care you okay? And if if we're not here to pick them up, you guys are the ones that are the ones that picks them up from school, and we really appreciate them. We really appreciate you guys for that. Okay, and so and hopefully, or not hopefully, but next year we're gonna do this. We're gonna do the same feast, same Thanksgiving here again. It's gonna be at my house again, and it's like a to do. Everybody's gonna make it here. Ular and Yala, thank you for coming too. Okay, you guys mean the world to us. So you guys really marked something in my heart that belongs to you guys. Okay, and so Shea, Auntie Bridget, how did you?
No, I think it's Thanksgiving. Everyone's just so busy, and we hardly see each other, even though we're family. We probably see each other 2-3 times a year, if even. So just thank you to everyone for coming, and definitely, I think this with everyone here, it's more love, and it tastes even better. So today is just thanks to you guys and for being our kids in our kids' life. I think it means the world to us. So. Grandma, Grandpa, for always loving our kids to, oh my gosh, to the extent where we never, can't, so let's eat. And the reason we invited some of you guys out because we have so many people in our life, so much, but our certain friends, and so our family will know that you guys are here because you guys are a part of our family. You guys are our sisters or brother. Even Lurs, our nephew, but he's like a brother to us. He loves us, our kids, the same way. So this is a thank you guys for everything, and thank you guys for the food. Everyone made it out of love. So thank you guys for bringing your making your time, making all these yummy food. Enjoy it. Yeah, pie. Sharon brought the pie.
I made them.
She made them. So thank you guys. This is love. You spent your time to make it, and so thank you guys. And I think the more love that's given to us, the more blessing comes to all of our ways. So thank you guys so much, and thank you guys for being a part of the family and our brothers, our sisters, and even Elizabeth. She's like yeah. So
you guys play you guys are a big part of our life. Okay, thank you for everything. Now, okay. Thank you for
杯，我这什么，我做什么嘛？这些保障来上呢，保障要限制的，叫报工业区少8杯、2杯这些做到，那overseas做到这些话没嘛，这都保了这干到最后，好了，我找不到但是弄嘛要弄啊，我们讲Thanksgiving，就是不被弄乱嘛，用些到也是布呢，是布，这是哪个布高，布那布好了要等它，布好了要等它，阿公公，有路在不多，多的布，$400，Thanksgiving，哇，要这是布，说那到哪了呀？那这用来用那多不变那，Thanksgiving，我找到这是布，是布了嘛，变多呀，布เนี่ย布，拿不这呀，这Thanksgiving的。我爱不拿他们家单套。对。这个包家里打了，这到一路就错，到包后呢，就搞带个不错说个，带个那个样种，好了呀，对。
trong này trong xe là chế bé我好吃啊是那bé那罗马那老bé chế rồi nó ở bé con ở đây ta chỉ cần đó của hai đứa nó sẽ của trong nên là nhà cho nhà ta ra đây của cha tu đó nên giờ cho cứ của bác chỉ tao này anh chỉ kia nó xin á của hai nó trong đây
là cái lá đó để con này nữa mà nó bỏ nó trò đó
I know.
nó mình đan nọ Chinese restaurant
Oh, le chat toi j'ai moi.
ô lời sa chỉ do ô lời sa nó cho ya trò to nó hay anh kia跑tôi ô lời sa nó mong non đâu là cái lá này
Hold on, wait, kid.
You got a new one, Sid? Come on, Naz.
Just figure out.
You fell down. How are you gonna get up? Yellow light. Red light. Cheater? That's cheating. Go back right there. Bye. Okay. Green light. Sydney, good job, Sydney. Okay, go back. Where were you at, dude?
nó cái lá nữa
Yellow light. Green light. Red light. Whoa. Okay. Green light. Green light. Green light. Green light. Green light. Okay, come on. Green light, dude. You didn't even come.
tổ chức kiến là cá nhân rong có này nó cứ là thứ là có tàu trở lên lúc xưa xa ở trong tận tiền nó còn lá nha để về cái mấy tìm ăn
Oh my goodness. So,
hey don't shit gì
oh look. Look, cái tôi tụi nó đi.
tôi có chị ha
Yeah. Okay. Well, we're okay.
yeah tụi nè hay là
Honey, you want to phone có hết chưa?
không chả hiện tại nó rất
Well, we're just thankful that every year we get to celebrate with you guys.
sẽ đồ lắm
I'm thankful for each and every one of you guys. You know, no matter where you live, who you are, or you know what you're doing in life. I'm just thankful that we can get together during Thanksgiving. Go ahead.
Yeah, I'm just super grateful and thankful to have you all as my family, and I love you guys all. So.
You're
What's your name?
Your mashed potato, it's in the.
Hi.
He asked you, what's your name?
Hi. Hi. Hi, what's your name? Hi, yeah. Yeah.
Why don't you take your shoes off? What? Why don't you take your shoes off? What? Why don't you take your shoes off? Purple rice?
Ăn chín wow, cái phòng ăn chín bò nhá.
Hi. Oh, no. Yeah, I'm sick. You're hungry? Purple sticky rice? Mom, where's Addison? Where is Addison? Go sit out there. I'll go bring you. Cute, baby.
Mấy con đừng lo mà.
Yeah.
Đi lên rồi con.
Find Addison.
Yeah. Tao là cứ cho tao à. Sao to đó mà cha thế sao thế? Tuần cho giống ở chế tuần chỉ giống này.
Thử có chịu dâu, có chịu tàu bao, cái gì có chịu tôi một hai tàu đã lúc lấy tiền xài được con lợn, tôi rống tàu tôi.
Oh yeah, I know. He's doing good. He's doing good. Now we need
Đó là mấy cả để tên cái gì nữa để qua trầu cầm hoa đó nè. Mấy cả nó khá to. Khá mấy cả xếp lại. Khá nó thật mấy cả nó. Mấy cả thế là một qua trầu. Cái tên gì vậy? Nó cứ qua trầu cầm hoa.